How to log into your Chase online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new guide video. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to do to log into your online banking of Chase. So if you are also enrolled for Chase, then let me show you how you can log into it. Search for chase.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you hit search, it's going to take you to the website. Now from the website, you'll be able to see this sign in option on the right. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the login section or the sign in section. From here, first of all, you need to type in your username. This is the username that you created while signing up for Chase or the online banking of Chase. So type in your username first of all, and in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link which says forgot username/password and then follow the steps to recover it. If you want this device to remember you, the next time you log in, you can check this box. After you fill in your credentials, you just need to click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your online banking service of Chase. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.